Need to check which Windows services are running. PowerShell makes it quick to view services, filter the results, and check the status of specific ones. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful commands, so let's jump in. First, open PowerShell. To display the Windows services on your computer, type Get Service and press Enter. PowerShell will show the service name, display name, and current status, such as running or stopped. If you're looking for one particular service, you don't need to scroll through the entire list. You can use Get Service followed by the service name. For example, type Get Service Spooler to check the Windows Print Spooler service. To see only services that are currently running, use a simple filter. Type Get Service where object status ec running. This removes the stopped services from the results, making the list much easier to review. You can do the opposite and find services that are stopped. Just change the status value to stopped. So the command becomes Get Service where object status ec stopped. Yeah, this is useful when you're troubleshooting a Windows feature that isn't working. You can also search for services using part of their name. For example, Get Service *print finds services with the word print in their service name. You can replace print with another keyword, like network, update, or Windows. For more detailed information, pipe the service into format list. For example, use Get Service Spooler format list *. This can reveal additional properties that aren't shown in the standard table, and that's how you can inspect Windows services with PowerShell. Start with Get Service, then filter, search, or display additional details when needed. Once you know these commands, checking services becomes much faster.